Hello viewers, if I going to share any files in Messenger, then I facing a problem, all photos not showing from gallery, showing limited number of photos, and showing a text you have given Messenger access to a selected number of photos and videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, tap on Manage option and then tap on Change Settings. Now go to Permission option. Now here you can see photos and videos. Just tap on this option. Now allow photos and videos permission. Now go back to Messenger and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.